What's up guys, it's Paul from CringeworthyOverland, and this time I'd like to introduce a new upgrade for my Jeep, the Suparee Spare Tire Brake Light. It's available for Jeep JK, Jeep JL, and Ford Bronco. I'm going to be installing mine on my 2016 Jeep JK Wrangler Black Bear. It was already a bad boy, but now it's going to be even more of a beast. After you watch this video, if you want to buy one of your own, click the link in the description below. If you've upgraded your tires to a larger size, you know that your third brake light now hides back there, partially obscured, and can't even be seen by motorists in smaller cars. You could install one of those third brake light extensions, but then you're just cutting into your rear visibility. This is where a brake light that goes inside the spare tire comes into play, and Suparee has created just that product. I just got mine, so let's open it up. It's time for the modern social phenomenon known as unboxing. And inside we have another box. Nice. But inside that box we have some styrofoam. The Suparee third brake light. Installation instructions. Oh, and look what's at the bottom. You know how much I love stickers. Yes. Let's see how easy it is to install this. So easy a cat could do it. Have at it, Miso. Oh, never mind, I'll do it myself. The first step is to remove my emergency gear from the spare tire. Then I'm going to remove the spare tire. Then I'm going to open the tailgate and remove the 4 Torx screws that live behind the old third brake light using the T20 Torx. Inside the original third brake light, you'll find a wiring harness which you should disconnect. Mine is covered in dust. I'd installed a rear view camera on my spare tire some time ago, so I'm going to remove that now and install the new third brake light towards the inside. Alright, so the rear view camera comes off, and the new Suparee third brake light goes on. For installing on the Jeep JK, only the bottom wheel stud goes through the hole on the third brake light. The other 2 studs just float up here. Then I reinstall my backup camera on top of that. Look at that, the wiring even fits and everything. If you never installed a rear view camera, you don't have to worry about this part. The Suparee third brake light comes with 2 wire connectors. One side should just go into the side towards the Jeep, and the other one goes on the third brake light. I'm going to try to tuck all the wiring neatly back behind the housing of the old third brake light. And then I'll fasten those 4 Torx bolts back on. You might want to zip tie some of these cables back here, just to be neat. All right, now we'll reinstall the spare tire and the emergency gear, and we should be good to go. I'm going to tighten these with a manual wrench just so I make sure I don't over tighten and crack the brake light. All right, let's go test this thing out. Okay, I'm pressing on the brake. Is it working? How do I know if it's working? I guess I could check the footage later, but I want to appear in the same frame as my new third brake light from Suparee. Hold on. I have an idea. There it is, me and my new third brake light. Let's hit the trails and show off. In case you were wondering, the old third brake light does still work along with the new one. You just couldn't even see it from the back view. Now that's a good-looking brake light. Well, my first impressions of this spare tire brake light are very positive. It's easy to install, it looks great, seems to work really well. I'm looking forward to using it more on the trail and cruising about town. If you want to buy one of your own, click on the link in the description below. See you next time.